Ready for the drum roll? We are giving.
Hey, wait, I can do it.
Hi there, Matthew Reitenbach with Altafiber at the Kenwood store with my favorite elf on a shelf. We are here to unbox two devices that are really going to be hits this season. We've got the PlayStation 5 and we also have the PlayStation Portal. Both work well together, so I'm going to sit here and unbox with you and kind of take us through what it is. Let's go ahead and once you do the honors, I'll let you open up the PS5 here.
Oh.
Are you a PS5 person yourself?
If I'm playing anything, it's PS5.
See, I'm a PS5 person
this
too.
elf, okay, I'm going to slide.
You're struggling just like
I make this on the North Pole line. Okay,
you're not part of the boxing process? It's good to see someone else struggle. Okay. I'm not going to lie. I mean, it is such a cool device. You've got your power supply. You've got your little legs for your stand if you want to stand it up wherever you put it. You've got your HDMI to plug into your console and your television. You got your USB-C to plug into the console to charge your remote. Come on now.
Oh, sorry. Like a glove.
This is adult time. You've got your remote. Like I said, it's USB-C here. You can plug it in, and that's what you can charge it. You can use your own charger as well if you'd like. It's just, again, a USB-C. There should be like smoke.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Obviously, your directions that everyone reads these all the time. You're like holding out like a baby. Precious.
Baby buddy. Oh my God. So slick looking.
It do look good. So this is not the digital version. This is the disc version. You can also download on it. You can see right here. You've got where you can put your disc. You can set it on its side. You can set it on the ground. Like I said before, you've got your USB-C here that you can plug in your charger if you wanted to. It's got two different ports, so if you have multiple controllers, you can do that. If you look on the back, you've got a couple different things here. Your power goes in on this end. You've got two USBs that you can plug in. You could do chargers or put some, a mouse or whatever you wanted. HDMI goes from here to your television or your receiver. And then this, always recommend a hardwired connection if possible, so you can put your Ethernet port into this so you can get the best connection ever.
Yeah.
So I know JonJon likes to play games online.
Gotta have speed.
Gotta have speed.
Hardwired
best connection, ever. One thing I'd recommend too, if you are a current customer, make sure you come in and ask, about our whole home Wi-Fi product. If you're having lagging or anything like that, or you don't think your house is fully covered, we can make sure that we get you taken care of. Also, you ready for the drum roll? We are giving.
Hey, wait, I can do it.
We are giving away a PlayStation and Portal.
Oh, and the Portal?
And the Portal. December 9th, we're going to announce who the lucky winner is. We'll be giving away this awesome set. Come into Altafiber. Come see us. PlayStation Portal and PlayStation 5.
See ya.